Good day guys, I'm back with another video of giving you guys awesome CCUs on CapCut, and don't forget to like and sub for more videos, so let's get started.
Go to Filters. Click on Metal. Then add Confined Cone. Go to Adjust. Sharpen 100. Exposure 4. Contrast 20. Saturation 4. Go to Adjust. Sharpen 100. Exposure 16.